What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to uninstall the Microsoft Teams application on your Windows 11 PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. In your Start menu, search for Apps and select Apps and Features. This will open up your Apps and Features System Settings window. Here, make sure to filter your search by all drives and then search for Teams. The Microsoft Teams application will show up. Click on this burger menu on the right hand side and select Uninstall. This will take a moment to uninstall Teams from your PC. For users who wish to download Microsoft Teams back to their Windows 11 PC, I will leave the download link in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.